Good morning, dear children. Once again, welcome to maths class. Today, let us discuss lesson 5, continuation, part number. Okay. Our first topic is part of different forms. Part of different forms. That is, find the equivalent fractions. Here you can see some circles. Okay. Next, first we are considering first two circles. These two circles considering. Okay. Now already I divide this circle into 4 equal parts. First circle divided into 4 equal parts and this circle divided into 2 equal parts. Then I am shading 2 columns. Two part I shaded. So what is the fraction of this figure? Total 4 equal parts, then 2 column, 2 part shaded. That means fraction is 2 by 4. See, total 4 equal parts, 2 parts shaded. So the fraction is 2 by 4. Also this circle I am shading the half. 1 part shaded. That means 2 equal parts, 1 part shaded. Then here we can see this and this both are same, because in the circle half is shaded, this circle also half is shaded. So we can say that 2 by 4 and 1 by 2 both are same. 2 by 4 and 1 by 2 both are same. So 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Okay, next picture. In this, considering these two circles, first circle I divided into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Picture correct measurement. Okay. So first circle divided into 3 equal parts. This circle divided into 6 equal parts. Okay. Next I am dividing one part of this circle. One part of this circle. That is, what is the fraction? 1 by 3. But fraction of this circle is 3 equal parts, 1 part shaded. So fraction is 1 by 3. Then next, in this circle, 6 equal parts. This circle is divided into 6 equal parts. Now I am going to shade 2 parts. Okay. ഈ മെഷർമെന്റ് പറയുന്നതും ഈ മെഷർമെന്റ് പറയുന്നതും സെയിം ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു സർക്കിൾ നമ്മൾ 6 ഈക്വൽ പാർട്സ് ആക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അതിനകത്ത് നിന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ 3 ഈക്വൽ പാർട്സ് ആക്കുന്നത്. നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പം ഈ ഇവിടുത്തെ ഈ 1 പാർട്ട് എന്ന് പറയുന്നതും ഇവിടുത്തെ 2 പാർട്ട് എന്ന് പറയുന്നതും സെയിം ആണ്. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് പറയാം? 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? 1 by 3 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 2 by 6 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പം 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 6. 1 by 3 is equivalent to 2 by 6. Okay. Next, this circle, considering these two circles, this circle is divided into 6 equal parts and this circle is divided into 2 equal parts. Here I am shading half. 3 columns I am shading. 3 parts shading. That means, what is the fraction? Total 6 column, 3 parts shaded. That is 3 by 6. Okay. Then equal to, here also, suppose this we can draw like this also. I am shading half. So this means what? Half. One circle divided into 2 equal parts and 1 part shaded. So this is half. So we can say that 3 by 6 and 1 by 2 both are same. 3 by 6 and 1 by 2 both are same. Here 3 column shaded, that is 3 by 6. Then 1 part shaded, that is 1 by 2. So we can say 3 by 6 and 1 by 2 both are same. Okay. Next, consider these circles and find the equivalent fractions. Okay. First question, first circle, that is this picture. Here we can see a circle is divided into total 8 equal parts. Circle divided into 8 equal parts. Then here I divide 2 columns. 2 part I shaded. Then what is the fraction? Total 8 equal parts, then 2 columns shaded. So fraction is 2 by 8. Then we can say 2 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Then 1 by 4 and suppose this line will be this line will this circle 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts and 1 part ആണ് shaded. 2 by 4 എന്ന് പറയുന്നതും 2 by 8 എന്ന് പറയുന്നതും 1 by 4 എന്ന് പറയുന്നതും സെയിം ആണ് അല്ലേ? Okay, 2 by 8 and 1 by 4 both are same. Next, 4 by 8 and 2 by 4 both are same. How can we find it? Here one circle and divided into 8 equal parts. Then we have to shade it 4 parts. Now I am going to shade 4 parts. Now I shade the circle into 4 shaded 4 parts. Okay, that is 4 by 8. Now the fraction of the circle is 4 by 8 equivalent to 2 by 4. How can you find 2 by 4? That is, a circle is divided into 4 equal parts and 2 parts shaded. A circle is divided 4 equal parts and 2 parts shaded. Then you will change it. 4 by 8 and 2 by 4 same. Okay. Next, 6 by 8 and 3 by 4. Here one circle and divided into 8 equal parts. Then I am going to shade 6 equal parts. 2, 4, 6. This circle 8 equal parts under 6 parts shade. Baki 2 parts remaining. We can 6 by 8 is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is a circle 4 equal parts. 3 columns shade. 3 parts shade 3 by 4. Then you shade 4 equal parts 3 by 4. So 6 by 8 and 3 by 4 both are same. Okay, all of you. Next, using this picture find the equivalent fractions. Okay. So first picture, consider this circle. This circle and divided into 12 equal parts. 12 equal parts are we set square as J. She is rough height and 12 equal parts are rough height. Okay, so this circle divided into 12 equal parts. Then 3 by 12 is equal to 1 by 4. So 3 by 12 is shade only 3 column only shaded. So total 12 equal parts, 3 column. Now I shaded 3 parts shaded. So 3 by 12 is shaded circle in there. 1 by 4 4 equal parts 1 by 4 is one circle in 3 by 12 1 by 4 same. 3 by 12 and 1 by 4 both are same. So we can write 3 by 12 is equal to 1 by 4. Next, this circle divided into 12 equal parts and 6 by 12 we have to find it. 6 by 12 means what? Half. So half portion we have to shade it. The 6 column shaded. The 6 column shaded. So 6 column shaded. 6 column equal to 1 by 2. For circle in there 1 by 2 2 equal parts 1 by 2 half shade 1 by 2 circle. This is same. So 6 by 12 is equal to 1 by 2. We can write 6 by 12 and 1 by 2 both are same. Okay. Next picture. This circle divided into 12 equal parts. Then we have to find 9 by 12. 9 by 12. So we have to shade total 9 columns. Here I divide the circle into 9. That is 9 by 12. Fraction is 9 by 12. And how much is remaining? Only 3 columns is remaining. That means this total is 9 columns. Then that is equal to 3 by 4. What is 3 by 4? A circle and divided into 4 equal parts. Then 3 by 4 means 3 column shade. 3 column shade 3 by 4 3 by 4 ആണ് ഈ സർക്കിൾ. ഇതിന്റെ ഈ സർക്കിളിന്റെ 9 by 12 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ സർക്കിളിന്റെ 3 by 4 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് സെയിം അല്ലേ? നമുക്ക് എന്ത് പറയാൻ പറ്റും? 9 by 12 and 3 by 4 both are same. ഇത്തരം കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കി വെക്കുന്നത് ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ എല്ലാവരും വീഡിയോ കണ്ടതിന് ശേഷം ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിലോട്ട് എഴുതുക. ടൈംസ് ഒന്നും നോട്ട് ബുക്കിൽ ഇടുന്നില്ല. എല്ലാവരും വീഡിയോ കണ്ടതിന് ശേഷം ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ തന്നെ എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വോൾ ആൻഡ് പാർട്ട്. വോൾ ആൻഡ് പാർട്ട് നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാലേ. വോൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? വോൾ മുഴുവനായിട്ടുള്ളത് പിന്നെ പാർട്ടും കൂടെ ചേരുമ്പോഴാണ് വോൾ ആൻഡ് പാർട്ട് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്. So in the circle, this is the wall part. Here is circle mottham wall part, and here I am shading only half portion only. Now we know that this is the 1 and this is the half. So 1 and half. So this is read as whole and half, that is 1 and half. 1 and half. So the fraction of this is 1 and half. Okay. The same way, this is the whole part and this circle is divided into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. This circle is divided into 3 equal parts. That is 1 and 2. From 3 equal parts, 2 columns shaded. That is 1, 2 by 3. Total 3 columns. This circle is divided into 3 equal parts. Then 2 columns shaded. That is 2 by 3. So fraction of this circle is 2 by 3. So the total fraction is 1 and 2 by 3. Okay. Next is 2 whole circles are there. 2 whole part. The whole part. 2 whole part, and this is how much? Quarter. See, a circle divided and 4 equal parts, then 1 part is shaded. So total 2 whole parts. So 2 and only this only shaded. That means this is quarter. This circle shaded only 1 column, so this is a quarter. So 2 and quarter. Okay, simple. Next, let us discuss some activities from page number 88. First question. A 2 meter long ribbon is divided equally among 5 girls. How much of meter would each get? How many centimeter is it? So a long ribbon is there, that is 2 meter length. This want to divide among 5 girls. This ribbon want to give 5 girls. Then how much would each get? But this question is given in meter, we have to convert in centimeter also. Okay. So first step, length of the ribbon. It is given that the total length of the ribbon is 2 meter. Okay. Next, number of equal parts. We know that this ribbon want to divide equally 5 girls. So number of equal parts is 5. Then length of ribbon each get. Total 2 meter long ribbon divided into 5 equal parts. This is in meter. Okay. This want to convert into centimeter. How can you convert meter to centimeter? Yes, that is multiplying with 100 equal to 200 divided by 5. 2 into 100 is 200 divided by 5. How can you divide 200 divided by 5? This is a shortcut. Divide. That is, we know that 5 fours are 20. 20 to 4 times ആണ് 5 ഉള്ളത്. അപ്പം 5 fours are 20 എന്ന് പറയും. ഇവിടെ 20 5 times 4 അല്ലേ, 5 times 20 4 ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പം നമ്മളിവിടെ 4 എഴുതി ഇത് നമുക്ക് ക്യാൻസൽ ആക്കുക. Then 5 fours are 20. ഇനി ഇവിടെ ഒരു 0 ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ 40. ഇതിന്റെ ആൻസർ 40 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ. അപ്പോൾ ഒരാൾക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നത് 40 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ ലെങ്ത് ഉള്ള റിബൺ ആണ്. Okay, next second question. If 3 liter of milk is divided equally among 4, how much of a liter would each get? How many milliliters is it? So here 3 liter milk is divided among 4 members. And how much each one get? Also find in millimeter also. Milk is given in liter. We have to find in milliliter also. Okay. So first total milk. The total milk is 3 liter. Okay. Next, number of divisions. It is 3 liter milk is divided into 4 members. That is given in 4 members. Then milk each will get is equal to, that is 3 liter divided by 4 members. It is equal divided by 4 members. Okay. This we have to convert into milliliter. How can you convert into milliliter? That is 3 into 1000. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 3 liters is equal to 3 into 1000 divided by 4. So equal to 3 into 1000 is 3000 divided by 4. Okay. Next we have to divide 3000 divided by 4. 3000 in 400 divided by 750. So 750 milliliter. Okay. So each one gets 750 milliliter. Okay. Next one more question is there that you do as homework. Okay. Then next page 89, 2 questions are, that is not important. Okay. We want these 3 questions only. Okay. Thank you. See you next class. Have a nice day.